Take control of your indoor air quality with our powerful ozone generators. Designed to eliminate odors, bacteria, mold, and viruses, these devices transform stale, polluted air into breathable, fresh, clean air. Here are some of the problems it solves: odor, mold, bacteria, viruses, and allergen pollutants. Enjoy cleaner, fresher air with minimal effort, perfect for home, offices, vehicles, and much more. Hey everyone, welcome to part 1 of our 3-part series where we'll dive into everything you need to know about the F101 acrylic or CA3500 air purifier and ozone generator. In this video we'll unbox the unit, check out all the features, and talk about what's inside the box so you exactly know what to expect when you get yours. Alright, so go ahead and grab your knife and let's cut the tape on the box. Now that we got the tape cut, we're going to open up the flap and take a look inside. On top you're going to find some paperwork. So you're going to have a thank you note, start guide, a packing list, and the instruction manual. After that we'll remove some foam packaging. Right away on the side of the unit you're going to find the 2-pack of ozone ceramic plates. Then on the other side you're going to find your 3-foot power cord. Once you have removed all the foam packaging, the unit's going to be inside this plastic bag. And then the unit is going to be wrapped in saran wrap. For this video, I'm going to leave the saran wrap on, because when I'm done with the video, I'm going to box it back up and put it back out in the warehouse. But if you were to remove the saran wrap, it would be a clear casing on the front sides. So now that we have it unboxed, let's quickly go over again what's inside the box. So you have the unit itself, the power cord, 2-pack of ceramic ozone plates, and some paperwork. So let's quickly check out the features real quick. On the front of the unit, you're going to have 2 knobs. The knob on the right is going to control the fan speed mode, and it's also going to turn on the air purification mode. The knob on the left is going to be the O3 control, also known as ozone. You're going to have 2 indicator lights. Green light's going to be power. It'll also turn green when it's just in the air purifier mode. And then the red light will turn on once you have the ozone mode on as well. Right here you have a front cover for air intake. On the back you're going to have a cover. There's 2 little tabs up here. If you pull that down you can gain access to the filters. We have a HEPA filter, a charcoal filter, a TO2 photocatalytic filter. You're going to have a UV light, and then this box up here is going to be where you insert the ozone plates. While we're still looking at the back of the unit, let's go over this bottom portion right here. This is going to be where you plug in the power cord. To the left of that, you're gonna have the fuse block. There is also an extra fuse included. And then to the left of that, you have the power switch. Going back to the front of the unit real quick, the other type of filtration is going to be an ionizer, and it is directly behind the front cover. It's very hard to see, but there is a little tiny black rectangle tab that comes down. That is going to be for the ionizer filtration.